Discount Diva here again, bringing you new items that I found, some more exciting items, and I wanted to start with ta-da! Secret Cleansing Body Wipes. I mean, that's kind of a big deal. The scent is Cool Water Lily, and they are 15 individually wrapped by Secret. So this is a great purchase. And these come like this. So these are nice if you want to just throw it in the bag and you want to freshen up. Perfect for 15 individually wrapped at $1. The next item that I've never seen these, but maybe I missed it. The hot and cold bags. I've seen these in the supermarket for a lot more. The thermal bags, and it says you don't need to put ice in it, and it holds up to 30 pounds. You can put your hot items and your cold items here. So these are nice to take to the beach, to the park. You want to take snacks, you want to take some drinks, and it holds up to 30 pounds, so that you can't go wrong with this. I picked this snack up, the white Reese's Pieces. I had not seen this flavor, and this is the white Reese's peanut butter cups in a 5 snack size. So I can't wait to try these. And oh, these were also at the register, and I thought that was a nice deal. You get 50 soft sticks for $1 and Trident. And these are the original flavors, so these are nice to just keep at the desk, you know, and you get a lot for your buck. I had been looking for these, and I finally got my hands on one, and it's veggie storage for vegetables, and it's reusable. You can use it in the freezer and dishwasher for veggies. Great for fruits and veggies. So this is nice. If you have fruits or veggies left over and you wanted to store it in the freezer, this is a nice little thing that you can use. And it has the snap thing and the lids. This is nice. Okay. I had seen others haul this, so I decided to pick one up and try it. It's All That Glitz Shower Steamers by Bolero, and you get a 3-pack. And the scent is pomegranate and green tea. So this is nice to have when you wanna, you know, do a little spa day for yourself, or just, you know, treat yourself, spoil yourself. I picked this one up for hubby by VO5, and it has 20% more than it usually comes. And it's a 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and the scent is Fresh Energy. So that's nice. That's a nice fresh scent. So 3-in-1. And these are a little far away. I picked up these detergents. It's called Automatic Dishwashing Detergent. It's a max, and it says you can use it for even food, baked on foods, and it's on your trays, your plates, your forks, your spoons. And it's a very powerful cleansing dishwashing detergent. So I wanted to give this a try, and it's by Finish, and it's 4 tablets. You don't need to unwrap, and what caught my eye is that it says it even removes baked on food. So that's a nice little detergent that I would want to try out. And at the register also, I found these pink power beaded bracelets, and all around it, it has the sign of pink and the words strength. So that's a nice bracelet. I picked up some glue dots for projects, and my little one wanted to do some arts and crafts, and I figured she can have fun with these. You get a count of 36 and 3 pages, and it's glue dot adhesives. I had purchased this in the past, and I loved it so much that I went back and I picked up another one. This is the Mermaid makeup brush. I like to use it when I'm putting on my concealer, and then I just swoop it with this brush, and it's a pretty nice quality brush, and it's adorable. The colors are vibrant, the brush is good quality, and I went back to pick up another one, so I had purchased this already. This big hair clip caught my eye because in these hot days you want to just pick up your hair and just, I have a lot of hair, it's a lot of, you know, thickness, so this clip will be a nice thing to just grab all my hair when I just want to clip it up. So this is nice. It's like a giant hair clip. And last but not least, I saw this mat, and I love what it says. This is our happy home, and this is a nice sturdy mat. I want to put this in the entrance, and the back side is rubber, and I love the size, and it's just a great deal. Can't ask for more. You put this in your entrance, and it's super cute. Love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video and my new items. The secret one is, this is a hot item right here. The secret one, the beaded bracelet, the mat, the steamers, pretty much everything. And I can't wait to try these peanut butter cups. So until next time guys, thanks for the love.